What you going to say to other kids about cleaning?
Cleaning is very good because it keeps you out of germs.
And virus, right?
Yeah.
Good.
An expert at cleaning.
You expert? Look here. How?
An expert at cleaning. Hi everyone. So today I'm going to clean my bike. That's the Saturday routine.
Sanitizing?
Yeah.
You're sanitizing your bike? Okay, that's good. So why you sanitizing?
Because so it's clean.
Yeah, we can take all germs out, right? Virus, everything. What is that in that spray?
Oh, that's antibiotics. So it's going to take out those.
That's sanitizer?
Sanitizer.
It's not sanitizer. That's the disinfectant spray. It's very important to
Clean.
clean bike and then scooter. Can you tell me about the bike?
Oh, so my dad took out the training wheels, so I learned how to ride without training wheels, and now I know.
Now you know. You're expert. Good.
But now I need to clean it.
Oh, you're taking care of your bike?
Yeah.
Good.
Then I'll ride it again.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Nice and shine.
Yeah.
Clean, clean, clean. You want to sing a song?
Clean, 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 clean your bike. It is very good to clean your bike.
Handles. Okay, let me spray and then you clean. Okay.
It's going on me.
Sorry. Can you stand up and clean? Yeah, that's better.
Clean, clean, clean. I'm cleaning my hand and feet. It's good to clean. Clean is very good. And clean your bike.
Look here.
Good, Nikku. It's nice and shine. Clean, clean, clean.
Doesn't seem like me.
It doesn't? You gotta clean more?
That's okay. It's look nice to me.
Really? Oh, yes. Wait, let me spray. Can you step back? Ow!
That's okay.
Go back.
I'm just going to lift it.
Okay. Okay.
It dripped on me.
I'm done. You take this, sit down, and clean.
I don't want to sit.
So you're gonna stand?
Can you give me another tissue, please?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
That's it. That's it. It's okay. Clean, clean, clean. The handle is important, Nikku. Yeah, this thing. Hmm. Why? Okay, be careful, stay away. Good. That's it, that's it. Good, 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 good. Now your bike and scooter is virus free. Is it? Yes.
I don't know if we can spray.
Are you tired?
No.
It's shining. Enough, enough, enough. Shining bright now. That's it.
No?
That's it, Nikku. There. Let me see. Everything is clean. Yeah, everything is clean. Okay. You passed the inspection. Good job. High five. Now you gotta wash your hand. Do not touch me. You.
Me.